This video will walk through how to edit an employee's timesheet in the Microsale POS software. Let's get started. Typically, the employee would punch in the login screen, selecting in out. They would log in with their code. Now, if you notice here, this particular individual worked on 7/29, started at 2:34, but they never timed out. So they don't see a punch in button to start their new day. If they tried to select punch out in an attempt to try to fix their timesheet, of course this message pops up having them go to the manager. Let's get started on how to repair that timesheet. So the manager would sign in manager's menu with their passcode. Once there, they would get to the manager's menu, and of course it would be in time clock functions. Once you click that, you see the time clock screen. For editing, they would go ahead and select that employee. That particular employee was Sarah Johnson. And of course you'd see that Sarah worked on the 29th and she never punched out. She started at 2:34. She's saying she left at 7 p.m. So all you do in this scenario is go to the timeout column, just click in the timeout area, and then go ahead and click yes for enter time. You would hit 7, of course, on the dot, p.m. Click 7 p.m. and it would update her timesheet. You just click save changes. Are we sure they're going to be permanent? Yes. And that's how a repair is done. Let's use another example where this same person, for example, maybe they worked on the 30th and completely forgot to sign in and out. That's done pretty quickly as well. All you would do is pick the next blank line beneath this first line, just click it once, add a new record, yes. Of course it's going to be cashier because Sarah is a cashier. And the shift date, you'd click there once. Use today's date, no. And it would tell us, well, what day? We want the 30th. It wasn't the 31st, we want the 30th. It would select the 30th. The time she came in, enter time, yes. Let's just say she started at 2 o'clock p.m. And again, she left on the 30th at, we'll use the same time, 7 p.m. So again, if you have breaks in and out, you would just again click and select those there, but no breaks here from 2 to 7. You'd click the blank area beneath timeout in that column, enter time yes. Again, it was 7 o'clock p.m. and that's it. And we just save changes. Are you sure the changes will become permanent? Yes. And that's that. So once you're done here, exit. Now Sarah can go ahead and try to sign in, right? To clock in on her timesheet for that day, and she should have no issues. She puts her passcode in, and of course now the punch in button is available. She would punch in the times recorded, and it returns her back to the login screen where she would just go ahead and put her passcode in to get into the menu. Of course, this is a full service configuration. If she was going to an express order, she would need to start an audit. Maybe it's a beer garden and the audit started for Sarah. We'll say no for a cash drawer. Again, those are other steps for signing in and using the full service or quick service software. Those videos are in our playlist. Hope that was helpful. Any questions, you can reach us. Our contact information is on our YouTube channel, or you could reach us on our website. It is posplace.pro. That's .pro. Thank you.